Okay, here's my Foster Snowball, and I was having problems with her backing out of her harness. So I came up with this idea. Here's her harness, right there, where my forefinger is, and here's her collar. Now what I ended up doing was actually taking this quick link that you see right in the center there, and I joined the harness and the collar. You can see it right there with that quick link. So now you can take the leash, which is to the immediate left in this video. You could hook it to that quick link, or you could just keep it hooked to where you see it now on the harness. But what that does is, if she does try to back out of it, she's pulling against two things. And let's say you had it connected like you see it in the video here on the left, where the leash is connected right here to the harness. When she tries to back out, at some point it's going to push against the leash, or I'm sorry, it's going to push against the collar. And if the collar's properly sized, you won't have a problem. And I haven't had an issue since I did this. Just have not had an issue. So seems to work out very well for me. I just thought it might be something you might want to try. And again, like I said, I had her on one harness, she backed right out of, and then this one she tries to, she can't. But I thought as an extra precaution, I would do that with the collar. And it's worked out very well. I haven't had not one issue, and I've watched her, and she tries to back out, but she can't. So that's always a... Now here's the quick link I was talking about. It's an 1/8 inch quick link. This one's rated at 480 pounds. And it happens to be stainless, but you don't have to use stainless. I like stainless. And the way they work is it's threaded on both sides here, so you can see how when you open it up, you open it up like this. Hard to do with one hand. Okay, when you open that up, then when it's open like that, that's when you, and it opens up more than this, that's when you can slide this through the collar and slide it through the harness. And by joining those two together, like I showed previous with Snowball, it works out great. I've not had any issue with the dog even at all trying to get out. And again, you could put the leash, you could hook it right to this quick link if you wanted to, and it works good. I just thought I would give this tip because you sure don't want your dog, if you've got them anchored somewhere, getting away from you for something that appears to be a simple fix.